Assalamu alaikum. Cholesterol. So, cholesterol is classified as an animal sterol, which means it's a type of sterol, a lipid molecule found primarily in animal tissues. It is not significantly found in plant fats, so it's unique to animals. Now, what makes cholesterol special? It belongs to a group of compounds called steroids, and it has a 27 carbon structure derived from a hydrocarbon skeleton. Take a look at the diagram. So here it is visible that the hydroxyl group attached at carbon 3 on the A ring. This is the polar head which loves water, so it is hydrophilic. The rest of the molecule, including the hydrocarbon side chain and the steroid rings, forms the non-polar tails which repels water, so they are hydrophobic. Such molecules which are having both hydrophobic and hydrophilic parts are known as amphipathic molecules. So that's why cholesterol is also a amphipathic molecule. This amphipathic nature, having both polar and non-polar parts, make cholesterol a key player in cell membranes. It can also be esterified, meaning a fatty acid attached to the OH group, turning it into cholesterol ester for storage. So, where do we find cholesterol? It's present in all animal cell membranes, helping to maintain their structure and function. Cholesterol is especially abundant in nervous tissues like brain and spinal cord, but it's absent in plant derived lipids. So we can say that cholesterol is critical component of animals but not plants, because they have their own sterols like cytosterol. Functions of cholesterol. The first function is structural role. Cholesterol is a major component of cell membranes and plasma lipoproteins. Those are the particles that transport lipids in our blood. It helps regulate membrane fluidity and integrity, meaning it keeps the membrane flexible yet strong. So it is just like a stabilizer that prevents the membrane from becoming too rigid or too fluid, depending upon the temperature. The second function is it acts as a precursor molecule. So cholesterol is building block for other important molecules such as steroid hormones. These are hormones derived from cholesterol, and they control a lot of functions in our body, such as progesterone helps with pregnancy, glucocorticoids such as cortisol manage stress and metabolism, mineralocorticoids like aldosterone regulate salt and water balance, androgens just like testosterone are male sex hormones, estrogens such as estradiol are female sex hormones. All of these start with cholesterol, and they have vital functions inside our body. Bile acids. So cholesterol also act as a precursor molecule for the bile acid. Bile acid form in the liver. Bile acids act as detergent to emulsify dietary fats in the intestine, breaking them down for digestion. Without cholesterol, our body couldn't process fats efficiently. Vitamin D. So here we can say that cholesterol gets converted to vitamin D3 cholecalciferol when exposed to UV light from the sun. Cholesterol, specifically 7D hydrocholesterol, is converted to cholecalciferol vitamin D3 when it is exposed to UV light from the sun. This vitamin is crucial for calcium and phosphate metabolism and help to keep the bones strong.